ATCH stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I am the only guy in the stock trading space with an actual 44,000 video track record and 5 years of experience. When I say this, people think I'm exaggerating or something. No, bro, it's all documented. You know, with Atlasclear, this is nothing's more simpler than just me saying this is a bearish market. You know, I absolutely do not like the chart. Not like I have anything personal against Atlasclear. It's just that it's one heck of a bearish market. I know it pumped up 40%, but most of these pumps turn out to be dumps. And if there is a double break to the downside, you can see pre-market is even lower. This is about to be freaking a sell side, you know, and I do not make the rules. And I'm just using my discretion and my edge strategy that I've refined over 5 years and 44,000 videos every single day. No one else has done this for 5 years straight like I did. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails insights, click the first link in the description. It's free. See you next one.